Hi everyone and welcome to another video, because today we're talking about Lacucina.io. Lacucina will offer you new and exciting ways to succeed in DeFi with NFTs. This is a really interesting project because it's going to be combining NFTs with DeFi. To start off, I would like to show you their promotional video. How great was that video? Lacucina.io is basically trying to help people become more aware of the benefits of DeFi and NFTs put together. With their platform, you will be able to start farming without actually farming. By holding some of the NFTs, you will be able to get very cool benefits. They've been featured in various big news articles like the App Radar, Investing.com and more. This project therefore is a truly interesting opportunity. And Lacucina is elevating beefy.finance. There was a magnetic pull from the very beginning, and so Lacucina and Beefy Finance came together for a union that offers more and can take you to the moon and beyond. Let's see what they have to offer with this. This links immediately to their Medium page, and this article is all about how Lacucina offers a new experience on Beefy Finance. Beefy Finance is a DeFi platform, is a yield optimizer, automated market making project on the Binance Smart Chain that offers services to users in the crypto market. By utilizing the power of smart contracts, they can offer their users some of the most attractive yields in the cryptocurrency market. And Lacucina is opening ovens. This sets apart from the regular DeFi opportunities because they open a oven that determines the cooking plan rewards for the coming days. So by staking your Lacucina, you will be able to get cooking plan rewards, which will make you various extra dishes. You can increase your benefits even further. It is very important to remember that Lacucina, every user is given the ability to boost their benefits further. Through their innovative system, users will be able to increase their relative share of the rewards even further by activating special non-transferable NFTs, the reward boosting dishes. What are the reward boosting dishes? By staking, you are able to get your rare dishes. The dishes at Lacucina are special NFTs. They are comprised of a combination of secret ingredient NFTs that are cooked together, resulting in a dish with a multiplier between 1 and 10. They can be carried and applied to any oven to further increase your rewards. So you could basically have a galactic, mythical, fruit-delicious pizza, which has the secret ingredients of galactic chops, mystic seeds and strawberry splash. But this is not everything. You could also choose to unstake those and try for a new dish. These dishes all have their own values, and these can be bid on with LAC. So there is a lot of information in their Medium pages, and this project is too big to comprehend in one single video. If you guys would like to know more about this project, make sure to let us know so we could do other videos. If anything is unclear, please also let us know so we can do another video. So basically, if you want to know everything about the project, go check their Medium pages, but also their Discord and their Telegram pages, because all the information is there. And you can enjoy extra rewards without moving a muscle, because external farming just landed. You'll get access to exclusive benefits without staking anything at Lacucina. It's simple. If you have staked at some of the top dexes out there, come to Lacucina, connect your wallet and collect your LAC rewards. This sounds a lot like the beginning days for Uniswap, where you were able to claim your Uni tokens for exchanging them in one of their markets. External farming is when you provide liquidity at popular decentralized exchanges, staking your liquidity provider tokens inside their farms and then collecting rewards at Lacucina. You see, there is no staking at Lacucina and no need to move your original staking positions either. Lacucina provides an additional layer of rewards for your existing liquidity. So you basically are able to stake anywhere you want, you can farm anywhere you want, and you can come back to Lacucina to earn additional rewards. No extra steps needed. No moving your original stake positions, just you receiving additional benefits for your liquidity provision. So this means that Lacucina is becoming a big part of the DeFi ecosystem. And you can check if you are able to receive some LAC. Taking a look at their website, you can see that they are basically boosting their farm and their secret ingredients even more, and that they are trying to tell you once again that you can create a dish NFT and boost your rewards. Another cool thing is that there are Genesis Talion NFTs. The Talion race is very happy to be here. Mint your own Genesis Talion NFT for free. That's right guys, this NFT series can become yours for free. Only available for the first 10,000 mints. So join the Discord before they are all gone. We will take a look at the Discord and see how you can grab those. So going into the Discord, you can see how you can mint your free Talion NFT. You will need a desktop PC, Chrome browser, MetaMask Chrome extension, MetaMask connected to Binance Smart Chain, and about 0.025 BNB. First, you will need to get verified to a waiter status. You can just get verified in the get verified section. The only thing you then need to do is type in /makemetalien, and then you can click the link and open it in Chrome. Connect your wallet, choose MetaMask, sign and approve, and check the I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. Click the generate button and enjoy your Talion. Let's see if we can do it right now. So when you type in makemetalien, from the link you are asked to connect your wallet. And of course we can use our MetaMask wallet. Then you need to switch to the Binance Smart Chain network, confirm that you are connecting, and then confirm the transaction in a bit. You now get the question to mint your Talion. State that you have read the terms and conditions and now mint your Talion. As you can see, there were several cool NFTs, and now we're going to sign a transaction and see which one we got. The transaction is confirmed and now our avatar has been generated successfully. Let's see what we've got. Wow, my Talion. Say hello to your very own Genesis Talion NFT. Now it's time to show the world that you become a Talion. As you can see, this is number 6443. We have a background, a Genesis background with a probability of 100%, so each and everyone should have this one. The body is into metal and green with a 6% possibility. Head is orange Talion with 20% possibility. Mouth, turquoise toothy mouth with 8% probability, and eyes hide and seek with 5% probability. The accessories are also known. So basically 415 of the 10,000 NFTs have this accessory, 637 have the very sharp knife, and 502 have the elf vest. As you can see, this project gives you almost a free NFT. You just have to pay the minting fees, and this is so cool. This is a cool way to get to know this project. So if you haven't already, make sure to sign up for this free My Talion NFT and see where Lacucina is going in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to see you in the next one.